How to keep married life happy. I love this topic. It's such a good topic. And I am Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. And I founded the Marriage Foundation precisely because people don't understand the benefits of marriage. They don't even think about why they got married in the first place. You get married to be happy. You get married to be happier for the rest of your life. But we are not taught that it is a thing. Marriage is a thing. Just like a car is a thing, a wardrobe is a thing. These are things. What thing in life are you able to just use, not do anything to it or for it, and it keeps delivering? There's nothing like that. You have to take care of everything that you have. Some things take more work than others. Marriage takes work, but on yourself. You don't have to work on your marriage. This is a big false idea that is out there. Happiness. What do you do as a person to be happy? So I'll pose the question to you. What do you do in your marriage to be happy? So let's take a look at what it is about marriage that makes you happy. Okay? The big thing. And it's so big, there is no other venue in life that can actually bring you this kind of happiness. Because what you can have in marriage that you literally cannot have anywhere else is a place where you can express unconditional love. Night and day, you can open your heart. There's no risk. You're both in it for the same reason, to be happy. You're both in it for the same reason, to experience unconditional love. But we don't do it consciously. We don't even know how to do it consciously. We need to learn. You get a car, you need to learn how to drive it. You get a new garment, you check the tag to see how to care for it. Whether you have to dry clean it or you could wash it, whether you need cold water, even a garment. And yet marriage, no. So there's two parts to marriage that I want to talk about with you, that are how you keep your marriage happy. The first part is yourself, your mind. You need to be happy yourself. You can't depend on outer conditions for your happiness. Your happiness is within you, and you need to learn how to keep your mind focused on the positives and keep yourself a happy person. Your mind is a possession. We're not taught this, I know, but it is a possession. It's like your body. You have a body. Your body's not you. If you lose a finger, you lose a finger. You go on with your life. It's not you. It's not the end of your life. Your mind is the same. Your mind belongs to you. It's to be utilized by you, to be used by you, but it's not you. So it is up to you to learn, to master your mind, to control your thoughts, to keep yourself elevated in a positive space all the time. In this world, most people say, oh, let's go get drunk. Let's drink a little. Let's have some wine. No, why would you do that? For me, I'll be quite candid with you. I can't drink wine because it brings me down. I'm so happy because I have learned how to master my thoughts. I've learned how to master my moods. I've learned how to master my feelings, and you can learn it too. You should subscribe to the channel, obviously, but you can go much further than that. But you have to learn how to control your mind, because that is half of your marriage, you might say, is you. And then the other part, you might say, are the rules of the road. How do we communicate? What do we say? What do we not say? What do we do to infuse our marriage with happiness. Now, maybe you came to this video thinking, oh, he's going to tell me all these things, but there's too much to tell. I could tell you a few things. One very big thing is put a hard stop. Every time you're about to complain, every time you're about to be critical, every time you're about to frown or give a bad look, just stop. That's one huge thing to do that will change everything. Do not allow negative infusions into your marriage. In other words, towards your spouse. Just don't permit it. It's your mind. You get to control it. So that's the first thing you should do/don't do. That's the rules of the road. Basic stuff. And replace that with things from the heart. Honey, I love you. Oh, you look so handsome today. Oh, you look so beautiful today. Wow, you are really smart. Wow, that's very creative. Wow, I really appreciate you. Things like that. Consciously, proactively. It's not corny. It's not strange to do that. It's what keeps your marriage happy. You want to know what makes your marriage happy. I'm going to share with you a fact. Your marriage should literally be happier every single day of your life. There should be no plateaus, no stagnant periods, no sliding. That's right. You don't get into a car and think, well, today, I may run over somebody, but, that's life. You don't think like that. And your marriage is the same. You don't want to allow these accidents to mar your happiness and mar your love. Look, go to our website, themarriagefoundation.org. Listen to our podcast, read our articles. If your marriage is starting to go down a little bit, reading one of my books will be all you need. It'll help. But if your marriage is starting to really go down, get the course. If you're a woman, get the course for women. If you're a man, get the course for men. It's inexpensive, and it'll transform your life and your marriage. Obviously, you want to achieve the greatest benefits you can from your marriage, and you should never settle. Never. You can have it all. And I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation, and we want to help you. So thank you for spending time with me. Leave a like. God bless, and take care.